Yeah, I might knock that down right away. What I might do is knock this bottom part down. I might keep that shelf right there for the moment. I don't know. I don't want to think too far ahead. If I think too far ahead, I'll forget what I'm trying to do. I'll go hinge those doors up there. I'll take this out there from my kindling. I might as well take these. These are insulation pieces that came from probably when I took down that wall before. I took down one of them walls. So I said insulation, I meant trim pieces. So I might can reuse those trim pieces somewhere. That's why I save stuff, so I can use it. Nowadays you go to buy a piece of trim, it's made out of plastic. I don't make stuff out of wood anymore, I guess. Nowadays you build a house, you got a plastic house, cardboard. Houses are made out of plastic and cardboard, kind of like cars. They're all made out of plastic nowadays too. That's just the way the world's going. I'm okay with it. I ain't gonna live long enough to have to worry about a lot of stuff. I was thinking about you get to be my age, just think, well, by the time I die, nobody will care. So that's what I think. All right, I'll get me a screwdriver and some screws, and we'll go up to the upper apartment and install hinges. Oh, the joy. Oh, the joy.